Dig, dig, dig.
Whoa.
Dig, 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 dig.
Whoa.
Dig, 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 dig.
Whoa.
Dig, 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 dig.
He
Squirms
squirms
in the soil all day long, worming and squirming and singing it. I can't do this.
Hello, we are the Soil Savvy Scouts from Longview Elementary School's 2 4th grade classes in Bozeman, Montana. We want to state soil for Montana because agriculture is really important to Montana.
SCOBY series soil dominates Montana's Golden Triangle.
That Golden Triangle is where most of Montana's best quality wheat grows.
Fun fact, we earned $2 billion off of agriculture this year.
SCOBY soils support the largest remaining prairie in the United States.
Like this.
One. It's on right
Francie, go find your old again. Find worms.
there. Yeah.
There it is.
Now cut to me.
Can I hold
Hey, Montana's highest quality wheat is produced using the soil SCOBY. 85% of which is sent overseas to Asia and mixed with their grain, which is lower quality.
Worms are a part of our history.